The 2014-2015 Hyundai Tucson. The second-generation Hyundai Tucson was announced in 2009 and the only update it received was back in 2011 when the old GL trim was replaced by a new GLS version. Things are completely different for the 2014 model year though, as the Tucson was updated with some minor changes on both the exterior and the interior, but under the hood it received two new, more efficient engines. The 2014 Tucson will be Hyundai's first vehicle on the American market to be powered by the new 2.0-liter Nu GDI engine, with other models to follow at a later point. Next to the new engines, the 2014 Tucson is also offering an all-new SACHS Amplitude Selective Damping (ASD), Hyundai's Blue Link safety, service and infotainment telematics system, two-stage reclining rear seats and third-generation navigation with a larger 7-inch touchscreen display and HD radio technology. For 2014 model year the Tucson will be offered in 3 trim levels, GLS, SE and Limited, with prices ranging from $21,450 to $27,700. Updated July 22, 2014, Hyundai announced prices for the 2015 Tucson, which is now available in dealerships. The model received pretty much no changes for the 2015 model year, so prices remained unchanged, $21,500 for the base GLS version and up to $27,800 for the limited edition. Details after the jump. Click past the jump to read more about the 2014 Hyundai Tucson. Exterior. For the 2014 model year the Tucson was updated with new projector headlights with LED accents and available wraparound LED taillights. These new elements are combined with the usual Hyundai family hexagonal front grille, aggressive lower air intake, sculptured hood creases and sleek greenhouse. Depending on the model, customers can customize their models with chrome accents or roof rack rails for an even more sportier, aggressive look. Updates for the 2014 model year. New projector headlights with LED accents, LED taillights, shark fin antenna on limited trim, roof side rails with panoramic sunroof, new 17-inch standard and 18-inch optional alloy wheel designs. 2014-2015 Hyundai Tucson, standard exterior features. Projector headlamps with LED headlight accents, roof-mounted center high-mount stop lamp, CHMSL, outside mirrors, dual fold-away power, body color bumpers, body color grille, body color window belt moldings, black door handles, body color side sill molding, black tinted glass, windshield and front, rear, quarter, back glass, solar glass, front door and windshield privacy glass, rear, quarter, back glass, front 2-speed, variable intermittent windshield wipers, intermittent rear window wiper, washer, non-variable, rear spoiler, integrated with HMSL, body color. 2014-2015 Hyundai Tucson, exterior dimensions. Interior. Updates on the interior are limited to the addition of new, beige and brown colors, plus an upgraded instrument panel and upper door trim materials for the SE and Limited models. The rest of the interior remains unchanged and will include the usual blue lighting, tilt and telescopic steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls, power windows, power door locks, fold-away mirrors and remote keyless entry with alarm and panic button. Updates for the 2014 model year. 2-stage reclining 60/40 split rear seats, standard tilt and telescopic steering wheel, floor console mounted rear vents, standard steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls, cup holder illumination, new interior colors, beige and brown. 2014-2015 Hyundai Tucson, standard interior features. Manual air conditioning, rear window defroster, electronic with timer steering wheel, tilt steering wheel mounted audio, cruise controls and Bluetooth controls, roof trim, cloth door trim, artificial leather cruise control, steering wheel mounted, trip computer, distance to empty, average fuel consumption, average vehicle speed and elapsed time, power windows with driver's auto down, front switches illuminated. 2014-2015 Hyundai Tucson, interior dimensions. Drivetrain. Most of the updates for the 2014 model year were made under the hood, where Hyundai added 2 new engines, a 2.0-liter Nu and 2.4-liter Theta 2 GDI inline 4-cylinder engines as a replacement for the previous multi-port injection (MPI) engines. The new 2.0-liter Nu GDI engine produces an estimated 164 horsepower at 6,200 revolutions per minute and 151 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 revolutions per minute, and for the first time it is available in both FWD and AWD configurations. Thanks to the new engine, the base Tucson will deliver a fuel economy of 23 mpg on city driving, up from the previous 22 mpg. The more powerful versions are powered by a 2.4-liter Theta 2 GDI engine that delivers a total of 182 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are combined with a 6-speed automatic transmission with SHIFTRONIC manual control. 2014-2015 Hyundai Tucson drivetrain specifications, suspension and brakes. For 2014, Tucson is offered with standard 17-inch alloy wheels, while 18-inch wheels are offered as an alternative. Both are combined with McPherson strut front and multi-link rear suspension systems. All four wheels are controlled by an advanced SACHS Amplitude Selective Damping (ASD) suspension that offers improved ride comfort and increased driving comfort. Prices. Options. Competitors. Honda CR-V. Honda CR-V brings no major updates for the 2014 model year. In fact, it remains unchanged ever since 2012, with the only updates for 2014 including an easier fold-down back seat. Even so, the CR-V remains America's best-selling crossover. It is powered by a 2.4-liter four-banger that delivers a total of 185 horsepower at 7,000 revolutions per minute and 163 pound-feet of torque at 4,400 revolutions per minute. Prices for the 2014 CR-V start at $22,945, a little bit more expensive than the Tucson. Toyota RAV4 II. Toyota unveiled the fourth-generation RAV4 at the 2012 Los Angeles Auto Show. The model was updated with a new exterior and interior look, plus a new engine and transmission. The new RAV4 is offered with a new 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 176 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 172 pound-feet of torque at 4,100 revolutions per minute, and delivers a fuel economy of 24 mpg city and 31 highway. The RAV4 is priced from $23,300. Conclusion. Hyundai Tucson was a pretty great crossover, but thanks to the addition of the new four-cylinder engines it got even better and more fuel efficient. Also, thanks to the impressive list of standard features it offers, the Tucson could soon take CR-V's place as the best-sold model in the segment. Love it. 2 new engine, new colors and options, lots of standard features. Leave it. No major updates on the look, poor cargo space, not the best comfort ride in the segment.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.